Welcome to my channel. In today's lesson I'll be teaching you how to play Amazing Grace. I'll be teaching you in sections, and this is how it goes. This is the big version of it. I'm going to harmonize a few notes all at once, but hopefully you'll recognize the music, the tune. There's a bit of jazz in there, but the actual song, the way we're going to learn it is like this. So section 1 is thumb on C, second finger on F, fifth finger onto the A, and that's the position for the first section. So we've got these notes from C to A. We won't be playing the E. So we've got a little gap between the second and third finger. So I'll play that again. C, F, A, F, A, G, F, D, C. A bit slower. C, so the words for that are Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. The second section also starts on C, but there's a little bit more movement in this section because we're going to be within the section going up to this C here. So unless you have a really big hand, it's better to change fingers at certain points. I'll show you what I mean by that. So start with thumb on C, second finger on F, fourth finger on A, and thumb on F, third finger on A, second finger on G. That allows our fifth finger to get to the C comfortably. So I'll play that again. C, F, A, F, A, C, G. Sorry, G, C. I'll play it again. C, F, A, F, A, G, C. One more time. C, F, A, F, A, G, C. So now put those two parts together, play one after the other. So starting on C, and the third finger will be the second note on the F. C, F, A, F, A, G, F, D, C, C, F, A, F, A, G, C. So again, without me saying anything. Okay, so the next part is this. We're starting with our third finger. It's already on the A. So I once was lost, but now I'm found. Other words, so third finger on A, fifth finger on C, and another C, second finger on F, thumb on C, 4, 2, 1. So again, 3, 5, 5, 3, 2, C, D, F, D, C. So now play all of those 3 sections from the beginning. Thumb on C. Section 2. G, C. Third finger on A for this third section. C, D, F, D, C. The last section, C, F, A, F, A, G, F. So we don't have to move for that. This last section is similar to the first section. There's no E's in there. I'm going to go from the thumb on C, the third finger on F. So this is the last section. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see. So 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3. C, F, A, F, A, G, F. Now play the whole piece. This is all in the right hand. You can play all those 4 sections. Oops, sorry. Second finger. Okay, hopefully you've got some of that. If you repeat the video, I think it's the best way to learn. Just play one little section over and over until you can memorize it, then go on to the second section and then glue them together just as I did, and then go on to the next section, glue that one, and so on until you can play the whole piece. And just to say that if you want to be able to play the full harmonies, we've got, how many have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 notes. That's quite advanced. It's going to take a while how to learn how to do that, but it's all theoretical, it's all systematic, and I will be posting videos on how to play chords, how to play in this kind of gospel style. So I will be posting videos, as I say, on my channel, so please do subscribe to the channel, and if you want to learn how to do that kind of thing so you can improvise on any song, then you'll find some videos on my channel which explain how to do that. Thanks very much. Bye for now.